Good morning, everyone. Today I will present my research entitled Examining the Correlation Between Library Books, Loans, and Academic Success in Senior High School. First, we have the statement of the problem. This study aims to determine the relationship between the number of loaned books and the academic performance of senior high school students. Especially, it aims to answer the following question. First, what is the average number of loan books by grade 11 senior high school student, school year 2023 to 2024, and grade 12 senior high school student, school year 2024 to 2025? Second, what is the level of the academic performance of the grade 11 UMS student, school year 2023 to 2024, and grade 12 UMS students, school year 2024 to 2025? Number 3. Is there a significant relationship between the number of books and the academic performance of senior high school young students? The result. This chapter discusses the presentation of data from the 523 grade 11 students, school year 2023 to 2024, and 518 grade 10 students of KCMI 2024 to 2025, and textual presentation of key finding is in response to the problem of study. Result. Loan books of senior high school student. Table number 1. Number of loan books of the grade 11 student, senior school year 2023 to 2024, and grade 12 senior high school student, school year 2024 to 2025. The variable number of loan book of the grade 11 senior high school student, school year 2023 to 2024. The mean is 7.22. The standard deviation is 2.58. The verbal description satisfactory. And the number of loan book of the grade 11 senior high school student, school year 2023 to 2024, that's the variable. And the means 3.11. And standard deviation is 1.86. And the verbal description is poor. The table compares the number of loan books for grade 11 senior high school student in 2 school year, 2023 to 2024. The first set of data mean is equal 7.22 and the standard deviation is 2.58. Is related satisfactory, while the second set means 3.11. The standard deviation is 1.86, is related poor. This suggests a significant drop in book loans between the two cases. Another result. Academic performance of the grade 11 senior high school student, school year 2023 to 2024. Variable. That's the variable. And the academic performance of the grade 11 senior high school student, school year 2023 to 2024. The mean for the first variable is 84.15 and the second is 87.5, and the standard deviation for the first is 11.63 and the second is 5.77. The verbal description satisfactory in the first is satisfactory. The verbal description the second is very satisfactory. Another result. The table presents a comparison of the academic performance of grade 11 senior high school student from school year 2023 to 2024. The first group recorded a mean score of 84.15 with a standard deviation of 11.63, which is categorized as a satisfactory. In contrast, the second group achieved a higher mean score of 87.5 with a lower standard deviation of 5.77. Earning a very satisfactory rating, the result indicate that the second group not only performed better overall but also had more consistent academic performance as reflected in the lower variable of scores. Table number 3. The relationship between the number of loan books and the academic performance of grade 11 student, senior high school student, school year 2023 to 2024. The variable is loan books and academic performance. The first mean is 7.22, the second is 84.15, and the standard deviation is 2.58, and the second is 11.63. And R is 0.79, and interpretation is strong positive correlation. Another result. The table presents the correlation between the number of loan books and the academic performance of the grade 11 senior high school student of school year 2023 to 2024. The person correlation coefficient are equal 0.79. Indicate a strong positive correlation, suggesting that students who borrow more books tend to have a higher academic performance. The mean number of loan book is 7.22. Standard deviation is equal 2.58. While the average academic performance score is 84.15, standard deviation 11.63. Table number 4. Academic performance of grade 12 senior high school student, school year 2023 to 2024 to 2025. Variable loan books and academic performance. And the first mean is 3.11 and second is 1.88. And the standard deviation are 2.58 and 5.77. And the R is 0.53. Interpretation is moderate positive correlation. The result. The table show the correlation between the number of loan books and academic performance of grade 12 senior high school student of for school year 2024 to 2025. The correlation coefficient are equal 0.53, indicate moderate positive correlation, meaning student who borrow more book tend to perform better academically. Through the relation is weaker than in the previous study, the average number of loan books is 3.11. Standard deviation is equal to 2.58, while the mean academic performance score is 1.88 and standard deviation is equal to 5.77. That's my research. Thank you.